Jai Bharat. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. I, Harsh, along with my friends from grade 6, are going to conduct today's virtual assembly. Today's assembly is dedicated to the great saint Maharishi Walmiki. Maharishi Walmiki was born in a Brahmin family in Treta Yuga, that is 5th century BC. He was named Ratnakaran. Maharishi was known as Adi Kavi, the first poet and author of Ramayana. The first epic poem consists of 24,000 slokas and 7 cantos. I would like to call Vanchika to deliver a thought of the day.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Vanchika from grade 6. किसी भी मनुष्य की इच्छा शक्ति अगर उसके साथ हो तो वह कोई भी काम बड़े आसानी से कर सकता है। इच्छा शक्ति दृढ़ संकल्प मनुष्य को रंग से राजा बना देता है। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Vanchika. Now I would like to call Vedant to deliver a speech.
Jai Bharat. My name is Vedant. Today I am going to say few lines on Rishi Walmiki. Rishi Walmiki was the composer of the first Sanskrit poem known in the world as Epic Ramayana. Hence he is called the Adi Kavi. Rishi Walmiki got his name as Walmiki because he achieved great siddhi seated within and hills in Sanskrit, and hills is called Walmiki. Walmiki played an important role in the Uttara Ramayana when Ram sent to Sita in the forest. Sita find refuge and in Saga's ashram. Love and Kush were born in the Walmiki's ashram. They were Walmiki's first disciples to whom they taught the Ramayana. Thank you.
Thank you, Vedant. Now I would like to call Fuzel to deliver some slokas from the great poem Ramayana.
जय भारत। मेरा नाम फुजेल अजीम अधिकारी है। मैं आज आपको श्लोक बताने जा रहा हूँ। पहला, मनुष्य जैसा भी हो, अच्छा या बुरा कर्म करता है उसे वैसा ही फल मिलता है। दूसरा, सत्य ही संसार में ईश्वर है, धर्म भी सत्य को ही अभिप्रेत है। सत्य ही समस्य भाव विभाव का मूल है। सत्य से बढ़कर और कुछ नहीं है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Fuzel. Now let's move towards the quiz part. To conduct quiz, I would like to call Iram.
Jai Bharat everyone. My name is Iram Nadeem Kotwilkar. I am going to conduct quiz part, and my first question is, who is the author of Epic Ramayana? Answer is Rishi Walmiki. And my second question is, how many shloka were in original Ramayana? Answer is 24,000. My third question is, what was the real name of Rishi Walmiki? Ratnakaran. My fourth question is, who were the first disciples of Rishi Walmiki? Love and Kush. And my fifth and last question is, Rishi Walmiki was also called as. Answer is Adi Kavi. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Iram. Now I would like to call our respected class teacher, Mrs. Pujashri ma'am, to deliver a value-added story.
Jai Bharat. Today I am going to narrate a story. The name of my story is A Journey of a Thief to a Rishi. Yes, A Journey of a Thief to a Rishi. Long years back, there lived a man in the jungle with his family. His name was Ratnakaran. For earning, he used to loot the people who used to travel from the jungle. One day, he saw 7 rishis traveling through the jungle. Those rishis were the Sapta rishis. He thought, if I loot these rishis, I'll get all the valuable materials what they had with them. He went running towards them and threatened them to give away all the valuable material. One of the rishis said, "My dear boy, for whom you are looting this?" Ratnakar said, "For my family." Rishi asked him, Is your family going to stand with you in all your goods and on your bads? Ratnakar said, yes, my family will stand with me. Then Rishi asked, ask your family if they are ready to bear the punishment with you for all what deeds you have did up till now. If they said yes, then we are ready to give away all the valuable materials what we have. Ratnakar went running home. He asked his family the same question and he was shocked. His family denied. They said, no, we are not ready to bear the punishment. Why should we? You have done everything. You will have the punishment. He was deeply hurt. He came running back to the Rishis, fell at his feet and said sorry. He was sorry for all his deeds what he has done up till now. Rishi said, okay my boy, come and sit under this tree and chant Rama Rama. And they went away. Instead of chanting Rama Rama, Ratnakar was chanting Mara, Mara, Mara. But it was indirectly, it was Rama Rama only. Many years passed. His body was totally covered by the anthill and still he was chanting Mara, Mara. One day, the 7 Rishis were returning back from this village, from this forest. They heard something, a sound. Mara, Mara, Mara. They were searching. Finally, they found the sound was coming from an anthill. They cleared the anthill and named Ratnakar as Valmiki, because in Sanskrit the anthill is called as Valmika. Hence, the Ratnakar's name was changed into Rishi Valmiki. So, moral of my story is, what good or bad deeds you do in your life, it belongs to you, not to your family. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, all of you.